आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question that was given to us was find the angle between the straight lines joining the origin to the point of intersection x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x plus 8y minus 11 equal to 0 and 3x minus y is equal to minus 2. So here is given one line and here is given the pair of a straight line. So the line is given, that is 3x minus y is equals to minus 2. So we can say that y is equals to, that is 3x plus 2. So let this equation first equation, and the pair of straight line is given, that is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x plus 8y minus 11 equal to 0, and let this equation be the second equation. So now if we put the value of first equation into second equation, we get, that is x square plus 2x multiplied by y, that is 3x plus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2 whole square plus 4x plus 8 multiplied by 3x plus 2 minus 11 equals to 0. So if we open the bracket, we get x square plus, this was equals to 6x square plus 4x plus 3 multiplied by, if we open whole square, we get 9x square plus 4 plus, that is 3 multiplied by 2 which is equals to 12x plus 4x plus, this was equals to 24x plus 16 minus 11 equals to 0. So we can write it as, if this was equals to the, it will become 7x square plus 4x, and this was equals to plus 27x square. Similarly plus 12 plus 36x plus 28x, and this was equals to 16 minus 11 is plus 5 equals to 0. So we can say that this 7x square and 27x square, this was equals to 34x square. 4x 36x, that is 40x plus 28x, that is plus of 68x and plus of 17, and that is equals to plus of, that is 17. 5 plus 12 is 17 equals to 0. So now if we divide this equation by 17, we get the equation, that is 2 times of x square plus 4 times of x plus 1 is equals to 0. So now using the, that is discriminant formula, that is x equal to minus b plus minus under root d divided by 2a, where d is equals to, that is b square minus 4ac. We use this formula for finding its factor. So we get x is equals to minus b, that is minus 4, plus minus under root b square, which is 4 square, which is 16, minus 4 multiplied by a, that is 2, multiplied by c, that is 1, divided by 2a, which is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So we get x is equals to minus 4 plus minus, that is equals to under root 16 minus 8, that is plus minus under root 8, divided by 4. So we get from here that x is equals to, that is minus 1 plus minus 2 under root by 2 by 4. So from here we get two values of x, that is first value is x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 2 by 2, and second value is x is equals to minus 1 minus, this was not plus minus, this was only plus, and it was only minus, that is under root 2 divided by 2. So we can again write it as x is equals to minus common, here we get 1 plus, that is 1 plus 1 by under root 2. Similarly we can say here that x is equals to minus 1 plus 1 by under root 2. We get these two values, and we know that in the first equation it was given that y is equals to 3x plus 2. This is from the first equation we get. So now if we put the value of x here, we get one value of x is, that is y is equals to 3, and we put minus 1 plus 1 by under root 2 plus 2, and second value is y is equals to, that is 3 minus 3, that is 1 plus 1 by under root 2 plus 2. So if we open this bracket, we get y is equals to minus 3 and minus 3 by under root 2 plus 2. Similarly, this was equals to y is equals to minus 3 plus 3 by under root 2. Sorry, this thing is, that is 3 by under root 2, that is 3 by under root 2 plus 2. So from here we get that this was equals to minus 3 and plus 2 is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3 by under root 2. This is the first value of y, and the second value of y is equals to, that is minus 1. That is, if we take minus common, we get 1 plus under root 3 by, sorry, this was not under root 3, this was 1 plus 3 by 1 plus 3 by under root 2. These are the two values of y, and these are the two values of x. So now we have to find the value of y by x. So first of all, this y by x is equals to, we can say that value of y is minus 1 plus 3 by under root 2 divided by, that is, value of x is, that is minus 1 plus 1 by under root 2, minus 1 plus 1 by under root 2. So multiply and divide by 2 in numerator and denominator, we get y by x is equals to, that is equals to, if we multiply by 2 we get minus 2 plus, that is 3 under root 2. Similarly we get in denominator that minus 2 plus under root 2. And similarly here we get the value that y is equals to minus of 1 plus 3 by under root 2. And y by x is equals to, that is, it was also equals to, x is minus 1 plus 1 by under root 2. So this minus and minus cancel out, we get the value of y by x. If we multiply by 2 we get 2 plus, that is 3 under root 2. Similarly this was also equals to the, sorry, if we, okay, 2 plus 3 under root 2, and if we multiply again then we get 2 plus, that is under root 2. These are the value of y by x. So now if we again divide it by 2 we get, this was equals to, that is y by x is, if we divide it by 2 we get minus 1 plus 3 by under root 2, that is we get this term. If we divide this term by 2 we get this term. So if we take LCM from here we get, this was equals to minus, if we take LCM here we get minus under root 2. If we divide these two terms by 2 we get back these terms. So now if we take LCM here we get minus under root 2 plus 3, that is minus under root 2 plus 3, and same here we get minus under root 2 plus 1. And similarly here y by x is equals to, we get under root 2 plus 3 divided by under root 2 plus 1. So now we can say that from here we know the form. Here we have find y by x is value this, and we know the formula for tan theta. Tan theta, that is equals to, that is this 3 minus under root 2 divided by 1 minus under root 2 minus of 3 plus under root 2 divided by, that is 1 plus under root 2. And this was whole divided by, that is 1 plus AB, that is 1 plus, that is 3 minus under root 2 divided by 1 minus under root 2. This was multiplied by 3 plus under root 2 multiplied by 1 plus under root 2. So now we can say that this will become tan theta, that is equals to the, if we solve it we get this 3 multiplied by 1 plus under root 2, we get 3 plus 3 root under root 2. Similarly minus under root 2, and final last value is minus 2. Similarly this 1 multiply, we get minus of 3 minus of under root 2, and this minus under root 2 multiply, so we get plus of 3 under root 2, and we get plus of 2. This is the value, and we know that in the denominator this was 1 minus under root 2 multiplied by 1 plus under root 2, and this whole is divided by, that is this whole is divided by, that is equals to, if we open these two brackets we get, that is 1, this was equals to 1 plus, if we open this bracket we get the value, that is 9, and plus 3 under root 2 minus 3 under root 2 minus 2, and this was divided by, this term was divided by, that is, if we open this we get 1 minus 2, we get 1 minus 2. So now we can write it as tan theta is equals to, so now if we see here we get that this minus 2 cancel with this plus 2, and this, that is this 3 cancel with this minus 3, and this 3 under root 2 and this 3 under root 2, it was equals to 6 under root 2 and minus 2 root 2. which is equals to 4 under root 2. We get this was equals to 4 under root 2, which was divided by, that is this, if we solve this bracket, we also get the value, that is 1 minus 2 whole divided by, that is this get minus 1. If we take LCM, we get minus 1 plus, that is equals to the, sorry, if we will not take this, we can write it as simply as, that is 1, and it was plus, and if we solve this, these two terms cancel, and we get 9 minus 2 is 7, and 7 divided by minus 1, which is minus of 7, which is minus of 7. So it was 1 minus 2, so we get tan theta, that is equals to minus of 4 under root 2 divided by 1 minus 7, that is minus of 6. So this minus and minus cancel out. We get the value of tan theta, that is equals to 4 under root 2 by 6. If we cancel it by 2, we get the value, that is 2 by 3. So we can say that tan theta, that is equals to 2 under root 2 by 3. 2 under root 2 by 3. So the angle, that is value of theta, is equals to tan inverse 2 under root 2 by 3. So our final answer, that is theta, is equals to tan inverse 2 under root 2 by 3. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।